In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set alerts in Sharepoint. It's a straightforward process that allows you to stay informed about changes and updates within your Sharepoint environment, giving you peace of mind and enhancing your productivity. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Sharepoint website. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to sign in. If you're already part of the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, it's likely that you might be signed in automatically. If not, you'll need to enter your email address followed by your password. This will lead you right into your Sharepoint account. Now that you're in, the next step is to navigate to the specific Sharepoint list or document library where you want to set alerts. This is where all your files and folders are housed. Think of it as the central hub for your document storage and organization needs. Once you're in the library, you'll need to decide whether you want alerts on a specific item, folder, or document. If your goal is to be informed about all changes across the entire library, there's no need to select a particular item. Simply hover over the item or library, and you'll notice an ellipses icon represented by 3 dots that appears. Click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option called Alert Me. Clicking on Alert Me will open up a configuration window. Here, you have the opportunity to customize your alert settings to best suit your needs. Start by giving your alert a descriptive name. This will help you easily identify it later, especially if you decide to set up multiple alerts. Then, move on to the Send Alerts To section. Here, you'll input the email addresses or names of individuals who should receive these notifications. This could be just you, your team, or any stakeholders who need to stay informed. Next, choose your delivery method. You have the choice to receive these alerts via email or SMS, depending on what you find most convenient. After this, you'll need to configure the change types. This is an important step as it allows you to specify the types of changes you want to be notified about, such as when items are added, modified, or deleted. The final customization involves determining the frequency of these alerts. Decide whether you want to receive notifications immediately, which is ideal for time-sensitive updates, or if you'd prefer a daily or weekly summary, which can help to minimize constant notifications. Once you've tailored the alert settings to your preferences, click OK to save them. Congratulations! You've successfully set up an alert in Sharepoint. You are now all set to efficiently keep track of important updates and changes in your Sharepoint environment. Thank you for tuning in and enjoy the newfound ease of staying informed.